Hello and welcome to Sir Excel's Roulette Tracker Excel Template. In this template, you can make an analysis of your roulette game with the upcoming numbers. All you have to do is enter the numbers. Once you enter the numbers, the charts, the formulas, the hot and cold numbers will be adjusted automatically. Just like this. With the percentages on the chart, you can also see the total numbers and also since last spin numbers for each bet type in this section. As Sir Excelco, we do not support gambling. However, if you're going to do it, we would like you to do it properly. This template is for the people who would like to see or find a pattern in a roulette game. I hope this video was informative and explanatory enough. Thanks for watching.